So I'm in New York at the moment and I'm staying at the Washington Hotel by Luxurban. So I believe Luxurban is a franchise and they have a few other Luxurban hotels in New York, and this is the Washington branch. So let's go inside and check out what this hotel has to offer. So to get to the lobby you have to go to the 5th floor by taking the elevator. This hotel is ideal if you want to stay near the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, and if you want to kind of be near the New York Stock Exchange. It's a 4-star hotel. There is a deposit that you have to pay when you're checking into your room, but the staff said the deposit is refunded a few days after you check out. So the room I booked is a King Premier Corner room, and this hotel actually doesn't have breakfast at all, so they don't serve breakfast here. In the lobby area they did have some vending machines, so you can buy things like snacks and drinks. The best thing I've noticed about this hotel so far is this amazing light feature which is on the ceiling. So it's just, you have to see it in person, to be honest. It doesn't come across as well on camera, but it really does look stunning, especially with the dark kind of theme of the hotel, and then you have this beautiful light theme on the ceiling. It does extend further along this corridor here, but it was kind of closed off, so it was just this area here, and there was some seating around too as well. But let's go and check out the room that I stayed in. So my room is on the 7th floor. Remember, it's a corner room. So let's go and check out this room. Immediately, one of the best features of this room is the windows. Although I'm only on the 7th floor, I still think the view is fantastic here. There is a desk here on the side where I can get some work done. Let's check out the bathroom. So there's a sliding door for the bathroom, and then we have the usual amenities which the hotel have provided, like soap and some conditioner. That's white tea conditioner. And in the shower area we've been given shampoo and conditioner. It's interesting, these tiles are kind of like a leather kind of feel. Here is the wardrobe area. We have a safe there, there's an ironing board, an iron, there's an ice bucket. Underneath here we have a fridge. It's actually like, you can actually lock the fridge too, which is the first time I've ever seen that in a hotel. The lock was a little bit stiff, but we did manage to get it open. And just some more storage space here too. We've got USB and socket there on the lamp. This is the view from the window, so I think the view is really one of the best features of this hotel. The view, the location, and that light feature which was in the lobby area. We've got a king-size bed which is really comfortable. These lamps also have the USB sockets and the electrical sockets. And we've got an alarm clock there. Really nice view. Let me actually show you what the view is like at night time too. So here we go. Very, very impressive. And this room is just on the 7th floor, so you can imagine if you're on a higher floor, I think it would be even better. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I was very happy with the room, to be honest. The price I paid for the room, it's £126 per night. Remember, there's no breakfast that's served in this hotel. But to be fair, there's a lot of like coffee shops around, so there's always options for breakfast. You don't have to worry too much about that. And there is also a 24-hour gym, so let's go and check that out. I have to say the gym is impressive. It's a very large sized gym, and there's lots and lots of equipment that you can use here. We've even got boxing gloves and a punching bag, and then over there on the left there is lots of cardio machines that you can use. We've got cross trainers, treadmills, bike machines, and then we have a section for weights too. Yeah, good thing is this gym is 24 hours too, so you can come here anytime. You do need your card to access the gym. And in the gym there's also a toilet area too. So that's pretty much everything for the hotel. There is like a restaurant slash bar which is attached to this hotel. I'm not 100% sure if it's affiliated with the hotel or if it's just a separate bar altogether. But it's a pretty cool looking restaurant slash bar. It's called Skinos or Skynos. This is a Mediterranean restaurant. Let's have a look at the lighting throughout. It's been a while since I've been to like a place which is so well decorated like this. Just lights throughout, different colours. Seems very, very fancy to me. I mean, they had digital menus, so that's a sign that this seems like it's probably a premium place. Yeah, so this is just right next to the hotel. You can get to the restaurant through the elevator of the hotel, or you can go outside the hotel and walk around and enter that way. If you have any questions about this hotel, I'll be more than happy to answer. Just leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.